Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a summer haul for you guys. I haven't done these in so long, so I decided to sit down and share what I've been buying this summer. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing I got is Dunkin' Donuts. So I got large, and I never get large size anything for drinks, but I had a free beverage thing, so I decided to get large. Yeah. But anyways, so I'm going to start off with the things I bought from LA. So I went to this place called Miniso, and I really fell in love with that place because it's really affordable, and it's like the Asian brand. I think it's like Japanese company. Yeah, and so it's like everything's super aesthetic, cute, and affordable, so I did some damage. The first thing I got is this bucket bag, and I bought this in two different colors, like so. This is mine, and I bought one for my sister. She likes lighter colors and I like deep colors. These bags are kind of boring. I went to downtown fashion district in LA, and I bought this strap. If you guys saw my previous video, the vlog video, and you guys probably recognize this. And I really like the fact that I spiced it up. So to go with that bag, I bought two wallets. One looks like this, and the other one looks like this. So actually these are for myself. I've been looking for small wallets like this for quite a while now, and I love the fact that it fits so much in here. These were only, I believe, like $3 to $5, somewhere in between. It was really affordable, and it's really cute, so it just like perfectly fits in the bag. I love it. Then I also bought false lashes. So I don't wear them, so these are for my sister, but these are only $2. These are the natural lashes, eyelash slim. There's 10 of these, so it's really affordable. So that was it for Miniso, I think. Yeah. And then I went to fashion district downtown LA area, so I'm going to share with you guys what I got from there. My all-time favorite purchase from that place is these pair of earrings that I've been super obsessed with. It looks very elegant when you put it on, and I'm gonna insert a picture here of like how I wore it. Lastly, from downtown LA, there's a store that I mentioned in my vlog. So it looks like this. I love the details on this dress. It's very lacy, it's mesh, and you just feel like a fairy or something, or like some sort of princess in a way. It makes me really happy when I put this on. So that was all I got from LA Fashion District. Now I'm going to move on to other clothing that I got for LA trip. The first thing I got is this green cropped sweatshirt, and this is from Forever 21. I got it in size large, and it's super soft inside. Oh my goodness, I couldn't pass this up. And this honestly kept me so warm in LA because the time frame that I went, it was freezing. It was super cold while I was there, so this came in pretty handy. Next up, I went to Urban Outfitters. I got three things. The first thing I got is this black crop top. I think these tops are called like pheasant top or something like that, and it's very square neck, super cropped, and I love the fact that it really cinches in your waist and your arms, so you look pretty slim. And yeah, all of the items I got from Urban were on sale, and I got this for $9, which is pretty affordable from Urban. I also got this denim skirt from Urban. It's the brand BDG. I got it in size extra small. These brands for some reason run a little bit big, so maybe you should size down. Sadly, I haven't worn this yet, but hopefully like I'll wear this sometime soon. Last purchase from Urban. This is my favorite purchase of all time from Urban. I got the pair of jeans from BDG, size 25. It looks like this. It's a light wash, and the best part is that they have slits right here, and it just looks super cute. But yeah, I like the raw cut and the slits. It just makes your outfit super edgy, so I'm obsessed. Next up, I hit up my favorite store of all time, H&M, and they were having a massive sale once again. I never buy clothing on full price. Like, I would never do that because I want to save money, and I'm a broke college student. So yeah, I'm really proud of these purchases. These were like hidden gems. So the first thing I got is this black dress, and it's, I guess you can call this a t-shirt dress, but more like formal looking ones. It has a v-neck, and it's super light. It's super soft as well. I got it in size 2. I would wear these with like my Nike sneakers to make it a little more edgy, or I could wear heels to just kind of spice it up and make it more fancy. So I really like this dress, and it was only $7.99. The next dress I'm about to show you from H&M, it's like my favorite dress of all time because it's super sexy, and normally I would never wear this. I wouldn't be brave enough to wear them because I lack in this department. But yeah, oh my god, I fell in love. And this was only $12.99. So this black dress has like very deep V and has a lot of flounce, a lot of like wings situation going on here, and it's very flouncy in the bottom as well. The back has a tie, so just tie it up, and same thing. Yeah, I don't know what else to say about this dress other than the fact that it's super sexy and gorgeous. So yeah, very proud of this purchase. Next up, I went to TJ Maxx, and TJ Maxx is one of my favorite places to go because everything's affordable, and there are like a lot of like branded designer things there that you can really get in affordable prices. So I love that place. And I went to the shoe section, and I just randomly came across this pair of shoes, and never thought that I would buy this one day, but I did. Looks like this. Do you guys recognize the studs? These are Valentinos. So yeah, these were my size, 38.5. I don't know what else to say about this. The leather is gorgeous, the studs are gorgeous. It's surprisingly very comfortable. So originally these were $700, but TJ Maxx was selling for $5.99. Yeah. Oof. Rest in peace, my bank account. Also from TJ Maxx, I bought this shirt on sale. I'm wearing it right now. It looks like this, Tommy jeans, and these are actually a men's size medium, so it's super big. Like it's super big. But I am obsessed with the look recently where you wear like oversized t-shirt and you wear shorts underneath, and it makes it look like you're not wearing pants, or like you're wearing like a t-shirt dress with like chunky sneakers. I am obsessed with that kind of look right now, and they're really comfortable, so I'm obsessed. And these were on sale for $12, so I just had to get it. Oh my god, it's so cute. Last purchase that I've done, I've been looking for sandals like this for the longest time, and that were in the price range and that were comfortable and still stylish. Finally found one, goodness gracious. They look like this. These are by the brand Zero Grand. These brands are quite famous, quite well known for their comfortable shoes with like a bunch of cushions. These are like comfortable platforms, and I believe these were on sale for $59 or even cheaper. I can't remember very well, but yeah, the straps are adjustable. It's in the Velcro, so you can adjust it to however you want. It goes with many outfits, so I'm really proud of this purchase. So that is all I got for this haul. I hope you guys liked it. I know I haven't been filming a lot recently. It's because I'm taking 5 summer classes and I'm working 2 jobs, and it's just a crazy summer. I will come back with a better video, so look out for that, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!